Hey guys, Evil King. Just got my new hard drive. I just want to show you guys how to change your hard drive on your Xbox 360 Elite. This is just the basic Xbox. I did not get the one with the hard drive, which is kind of pointless because I got a 250 gig of hard drive for $39.99 on eBay, and if you buy it from Best Buy or any other retailer, you will pay $2.99 for it, and my Xbox is only $1.99, so I pay basically like $2.49 for everything. Anyway, there's this little latch over here. You just pull that. Obviously, there's nothing here because this is the basic Xbox, and all you have to do is slide it through, put the cover back on. That's it. Simple as that. Something to it, 2-3 seconds. That's it. Get it done.